Friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Neuromed tablets. Neuromed tablets contain mecobalamin, 500 micrograms in it. This is made by Martin Doe and the price for the box is 1339 rupees. The box has 100 tablets in it. Mecobalamin is a form of vitamin B12 that restores its level in the body, thereby helping in treating certain anemias and nerves problems. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient which is required by the body to make red blood cells and maintain a healthy nervous system. It is also important for releasing energy from food and using vitamin B11. The usual dosage for mecobalamin is 1 tablet 3 times a day. This also comes in an injection form, and this is safe for use during pregnancy and during breastfeeding. So I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.